Welcome to Sales Consultants Success Tips. When customers are left alone in your showroom, they'll often pick up their phone and search other dealership websites for inventory, research trade-in values, or even text a sales consultant at a competitor. Hence, whenever you leave your customer to get a vehicle ready for a presentation and demonstration drive, keep them focused and occupied. Share vehicle reviews, awards, and accolades in the form of videos. People would rather watch a video than read one. Have some of your favorite YouTube vehicle video reviews queued up and ready to play at your workstation. Make sure your customer has a fresh coffee and play a video while you prepare a vehicle. A video will also serve to further inform and excite your customer. Also consider creating a Read Me book. This is a binder that you create, titled Read Me on the cover, that provides a variety of interesting and helpful information with respect to purchasing a new or used vehicle. Simply leave the binder on your desk facing customers. Example of content include: why buy from us? Why pay the manufacturer's retail price? What's included in the price of our used vehicles? How we appraise your vehicle? How we arrive at a trade-in value? How a lease works? The benefits of leasing? Leasing versus financing? Automobile tax deduction guidelines, why electric vehicles are cleaner than gas-burning vehicles, J.D. Power vehicle quality ratings, and more. Email me if you'd like some examples of these documents. They're also excellent for follow-up emails to unsold customers. Also include printouts of positive Google reviews or thank you emails from your customers. Copies of certificates, diplomas, degrees, or awards are also encouraged. Keep your customers busy and informed. Show them why you're the only and obvious choice. Consider joining us for our one-day New Age negotiating and closing workshop or our many other sales consultant professional development seminars and workshops. I'm Hector Bassotti with Y Management.